retired line cook and retired prep cook. Welcome to my channel and to another video. So let's get started on this next recipe. Let's go. I created this popcorn snack years ago when I wanted to create something that had some chocolate in it and some caramel. I remember it was right after culinary school. I think this is a great snack you can use for the Super Bowl for a sweet snack and also for Valentine's Day. Think about using another nut if you're not a fan of cashews like I am. I would think pecans or walnuts would be a good choice. Yeah. Melt butter over medium heat in a medium saucepan. Add the sugars, honey, and cornstarch and stir constantly. Continue to stir constantly until you achieve a deep caramel color. Once you achieve that deep caramel color, stir in the baking soda. Stir it carefully because it might want to bubble up. Remove any unpopped kernels from the bowl of popcorn before proceeding. Pour caramel over popcorn in bowl and use a rubber spatula to combine. Mix in the nuts and sea salt to taste. Taste and adjust with sea salt to desired taste. Use a 1/4 to 1/3 cup measuring cup to scoop out a small amount. Roll into a small ball and place on a lined sheet pan. Sprinkle a little sea salt on top and then prepare the chocolate to drizzle on the clusters. Fill a sauce pot 1/4 to 1/3 with water. Bring it to a boil, then turn down to a simmer. Place a large metal bowl on top of it to melt the chocolate. Break up the chocolate into the bowl and stir constantly to melt. I'm using only dark chocolate because I absolutely love dark chocolate. But if you want to mix it up, you can use milk chocolate as well as white chocolate. Play around. But be sure to melt them separately. Use a rubber spatula or a spoon to drizzle the melted chocolate across the clusters. To have it look more appealing, I would suggest that you drizzle in one direction. Don't go crisscross, it'll look too sloppy. Yeah, I went crisscross and it looks sloppy. Just go in one direction as I suggested. Refrigerate uncovered about 5 minutes to set. Then remove from the refrigerator, cover with plastic wrap, and refrigerate 1 hour to set fully. Remove from the fridge. Store covered in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. Or you can place it on a platter for serving, but make sure you refrigerate that platter or that vessel, whichever you're serving it in, to make sure the chocolate doesn't melt too quickly or too easily. So tell me, how do you like this recipe? You know, if you like it, be sure to give me a like, a thumbs up, share. Please leave a comment down below. I'll come back for the next one. I'll see you then. Bye. Thanks for watching. As always, please be the blessing to someone. And many blessings and much favor until we meet again. And I'll see you next time.